This video will be a setup and install of the lightning detector for a WS 1965 ambient weather station. So it's starting to rain, so I'll have to try to make this as quick as possible. I did previously unbox this and kind of look at the instructions, and it didn't really say a whole lot of how close to mount it to the weather station, or if you should, or anything other than you needed a weather station. As always, there'll be links down there in the description to this if you want to add one to yours. Let's go ahead and unbox it, so to speak. And it's kind of funny because in the instructions it says that it does not come with batteries. However, it does. And also, one thing it talked about is these dip switches. For mounting inside, you need to change it, but if you mount it inside, it's probably not going to work out all that well for you anyway. So leave it at default with them all off. And let's see what all we got here. We've got an instruction book. Oh, I just lost the zip tie. A couple of batteries and a zip tie in there as well. So let's go ahead and add the batteries in. And put the cover on. There we go. Put the cover on. Seal it up. I guess I'll take that off. Should be an LED somewhere on here. LEDs come on. And there's one mounting point for it. I suppose the other one, I guess the other one, it just kind of sits on this right here. Right there and there. Got the generic service card. If you have any problems, give them a call. I'm surprised there's not a little template or something here. Well, I guess I'll just do like I normally do and just wing it. I don't see a template. You could make one, I suppose, off of some tape or whatever. Okay, just kind of slid in there and poked it a little bit. Ow. Okay. There we go. Pretty good. I'm going to open my app real quick and see if it just added itself or what happened there. Oh, okay, well, nothing to that. The lightning detector connected. So it just took care of itself. So let me go over here to my dashboard. I'm curious to see if there's anything that shows on this screen for it. Lightning, there we go. So no response yet, so now I just sit back and wait for a thunderstorm. So yay, come on, thunderstorm. Right? All right, so there you go. That's how to mount and connect the ambient weather lightning detector. Pretty easy, actually. If you'd like to purchase one, there'll be a link in the description to this. There'll be a link to the weather station that I have as well. And look for the video for the weather station if you want to see the entire setup of that weather station. Thank you for watching.
Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel, maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.